Hey everybody, I'm Chef Dad, and this is the ranch of your dreams. Is that enough for my carrot? This works with JoJo's, vegetable, just about anything you can think of, and then if you just add a little bit of buttermilk to this, you'll have the nice pour dressing consistency. It took me a little bit of time to get back from the last time that we filmed because of the headaches and memory and fatigue. This is part of what they want me to do to get healthy again. It's tough, but we're gonna just go after this. This is Chef Dad's ranch dip. So what we need here is some olive. You could take your time and make really perfect cuts, or just go ahead and cut them. I like it to be different because I like to have a texture change in my ranch dip. Go in with all, that is a full can of olives. Now we're gonna take either 2 small carrots or 1 extremely large, and we're gonna take it to the fine side of the box grater. Don't scrape yourself with the box grater. That's about perfect. Can you cut it up by hand? Yeah, you could cut it, but this makes it a lot better because a lot more of them carrot juices come out, so just go buy a box grater. Put all that carrot in there. Now we're gonna go in with some high quality mayonnaise. That's gonna be 1 cup of mayonnaise. Does it have to be exact? No. Get close. Make sure you get it all, as much as you can, out of there. Now we're gonna go in with some sour cream. If your sour cream looks like this, just mix it up. As long as there's nothing growing in it, you're all right. So this is a dip. It's gonna be a little bit thicker. If you wanna turn this into a dressing, you add some buttermilk, and then you got buttermilk ranch. But this is a dip. So like I said, do you need to be exact? No. But you want to make sure it all comes out. Now we're going to go in with a pinch of Chef Dad smoked salt. Can you go in with other salt? Yes, you can. I don't have this available for you yet. So there's about 2 teaspoons, 3 teaspoons. And we're just going to give it a quick mix. That carrot gives it a nice sweet flavor. Olives give it a nice salty little punch with a what? Texture change. It gives you a little bit of a texture bite to it. Granulated garlic. That's just about 1.5 tablespoons. And then to make it kind of like ranch, we're gonna go in with dill weed. So just decide how much you want. That was just about 1 tablespoon. But this is going to give it that nice dill flavor like ranch. And this holds for quite a while, but when I make this much of it, it doesn't last very long. It goes pretty quick. Get a taste. I'm happy with it, but I need to have my wife try it. And she'll tell me if I'm missing something. Perfect. Every time. You really can't beat that. It's super simple. It has all the flavors. That carrot really gives it a sweetness. I'm going to call it a healthier ranch just because I want to. So I'm going to say it's healthy for my brain. It's helping my TBI. YouTube picked that video for you. I picked that video for you. That's the subscription button. Push it. Thank you.